Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K90 Pro Max, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find notifications and status bar. Here, let's scroll and find battery indicator, tap on it, and as you can see in this device we've got three different options. So the battery indicator without any kind of percentage, here we can display it inside the battery icon and here outside the battery icon, and this option is the most visible comparing to, for example, this one. So of course choose the one which you like the most. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.